Hello business communication class. This is a short video on how I would do this project. It's the nonverbal research presentation project. And if you're online doing this, you want to record yourself. You want to record your presentation as well as yourself because you have to show at least 3 nonverbals and you have to demonstrate 3 nonverbals. So you can only do that with a webcam and a screen recorder, and I suggest using Screencast-O-Matic because it's free and you can use it. I don't know if Loom also does it. I don't know if they do webcam recording as well as screen recording. But anyway, here is a sample presentation. I also put the link for this in Google Classroom or Canvas for you to see. So here would be an example of how I would do this presentation. If you follow my PowerPoint and kind of model your research after my PowerPoint, you should get 100 points, no problem. So hello, this is an example presentation for you to look at. You can use this as a guide to your nonverbal research project. Okay. Research topic, eyebrow expressions. So that's what I'm going to do today, and you can see me in the webcam, so I can do expressions with my eyebrows, and you can see what I mean when I demonstrate them. So the introduction: the eyebrows appear to play an important role in the expression of emotions and the production of other social signals. Okay, I think this paper I read from MIT also talked about how eyebrows have a lot of sexual expression. It went on a lot about that, but I won't get into that now. But it does have a strong indication of interest and desire, so that might be why it's related. The first nonverbal I want to tell you about is the face of surprise, and that is when you raise the eyebrows, but they're not drawn together. So if I could demonstrate, you just, oh my goodness, just raise your eyebrows up. Lifting the eyebrows might have helped our ancestors respond to unexpected environmental events by widening the visual field and therefore enabling them to see. So when we are surprised, we raise our eyebrows so we can take in all the light and information from our surroundings, so we can detect any danger. That's what this article is saying. I think that's pretty interesting. Nonverbal number 2 is talking about fear, and that is close to surprise, but it's not surprise. It's when you scrunch up your eyebrows, you scrunch it in like this and raise it up, and that is fear with your eyebrows. Nonverbal number 3 is the eyebrow flash right here. I hope you can see that. And the eyebrow flash is a quick raising and lowering of eyebrows that usually only lasts a fraction of a second. It is commonly used between people who know each other to indicate familiarity or used as a sign of attraction and interest. So I could demonstrate that, like when you say hello, you probably do this already. You say hello like this, hello, hey. It's a pretty discreet but expressive thing to do with your eyebrows. So this is my presentation, and I suggest you go on your computer and you use Screencast-O-Matic to record your presentation. If you don't have a computer, you can use one of the school computers. If you rather record with your cell phone, you can hold your cell phone and while it's looking at your computer, and you move through your PowerPoint slides with your cell phone recording, and when you need to demonstrate, turn your phone camera around to look at yourself to demonstrate. And it should work like that. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you.